Alright guys, so as you can see we got the other U-joints on, the other drive shafts. That one's new, that one's new right there. And this one's new up here. Now we're on the back of the first drive shaft. We're going to swap out the carrier bearing. There's the new one in there.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Yep. So a lot better.
It looks a lot better. The rubber on the old one was like completely worn off.
We'll compare it again when I get it off.
Yeah. So, first things first, we got to take the yoke off, right?
Yeah.
This is this piece right here on the end.
Just one bolt inside there. Just need to take that bolt off.
Yeah, I'm going to tap into his big sockets. Look at that. All impact sockets.
Yep.
Yeah, that was probably like, what, $300 alone or something like that?
Yeah.
Oh, man. So that socket's 1-inch drive, huh?
Yeah. Yep. Oh, need an extension to go down to 3/4 for the gun. Oh yeah.
Marking which way is the top, so you put the yoke back on the right way.
Yeah. So orient the yoke, because if it's wrong, we won't be able to bolt it back up. So the angle will be off.
Nice, nice. That's always good.
See how hard it is?
Yeah, nice.
You have to stand on it. There it is. Alright. Got that. Washer.
So there's a nut and a washer.
Yeah. Yep.
I almost ate shit.
It's coming slowly.
Is it? almost off of there. Almost.
So we may have to use puller to get that off. We'll see. Oh, come on. There we go. Let me roll it. So now, yeah, as you can see,
Yeah.
looks a little bit different.
Yeah, there's no rubber on that one. Oh, there we go. Boy, it finally switched. Yeah. So this one up here is brand new. So all this is fucking missing around on the old one.
Yep.
Shit, dude.
Not good.
No. Come on, baby. Almost got it off. Go. Fuck yeah.
There it is. Yeah. Yep, forward gear and axle is just a little different design.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty bad in there anyways.
Oh
See all the dirt in there?
yeah. Yeah, not much grease left in there.
Yeah, so
So that was getting bad anyway.
it was getting bad anyway, so.
Oh yeah.
Just like the U-joints, grab some Scotch-Brite and clean that off so when the new one goes on,
It's all nice and smooth,
it's
no
all
rust.
smooth, go on, we're all good to go.
Sweet.
Let me roll it. Yeah, forward gear and axle uses sandpaper, like
Oh, yeah.
120 grit sandpaper. You don't want to take metal off, you just want to get the rust off as much of it as you can.
So Scotch-Brite is perfect for it.
Yeah, and you're not going to get all of it, so don't worry about getting it absolutely clean. You get the majority of it.
Right. As much of the discolor off of it as you can.
Yeah. That's pretty good. Alright. Now for the new one. So, clean it again before it goes in. Name of the game is just to get stuff clean.
Right. Bye-bye, old one.
Yeah. Alright. So that goes on first. It's like a little
So
dust
that's
shield.
good. The freaking old one didn't have that.
Yep. Oh yeah. So way better.
Nice. Slid right on there.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
And when we tighten the nut on the front with the yoke on it,
It'll pull
it'll
everything
tighten it
tight.
back. Yeah, get it all back into position. All right, let me get this up.
Right there.
So.
On that yellow markup with the other one on the yoke. Right?
Yeah. Usually on splines you put grease, but I'm not going to on this one because I don't want it coming loose. Do on like axle shafts and stuff,
Right.
when you know you're gonna take it back apart. But this one, all right, see that? So you'll be able to see. I mean, there's a ton of different teeth.
Right.
You'll be able to see if you're off because the line's gonna be, you know, from one side to the other.
Right.
But
And that looks lined up.
yep, they look good. So let's tap this on enough to get the nut on, and we can tighten it up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the other thing you need to be careful about is hitting right here on the front of the yoke.
Oh yeah.
So that's where the straps go for the other end of the U-joint,
Oh yeah.
for the other strap. But if you wallow that out, you're not going to be able to get the bolt in there to tighten the U-joint, the cap to the U-joint.
Right.
But I'm not tapping it very hard. I'm not putting much pressure, so that way.
Nice and easy.
Yeah, nice and easy. It's going on. So. To a point.
The washer first and then the nut.
Yeah. So get that on there, and then the impact will tighten it the rest of the way. Run it down tight, and that's it.
Okay. Heck yeah.
This gun is heavy. And that's it.
Nice. And
Tight.
stiff.
Yep.
Sweet, that's back on.
So,
oh yeah, that's a lot better.
oh
than
yeah,
the other one.
yep, that's not, yeah, there's no movement side to side or up and down, so that's going to be a lot better. So, you know, if you're worried about the placement of this, obviously you can see it can spin around.
Right.
So, we're exactly where we were on our mark. And if we got to turn this in order to line up the U-joints, we can also turn this
Right.
to line that up to bolt it up. So
Perfect.
that's it.
All right. Carrier bearing swapped out, huh?
Yep. Oh, that's going to be huge.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the vibration we were getting.
So that was when you freaking lifted off the gas
or got back on it.
or got back on it. It would be like, doo, doo, it freaking like send you
Yeah,
back
you
and
felt-
forward. Yeah, yeah.
Felt like a shift, like a clunk.
Yeah.
Doo-doo.
Yeah, because of that shit.
Yeah.
Because of
Yep.
no fucking
Yep, no rubber in there.
Yeah,
So,
so
nothing was holding it stationary.
right. So this freaking drive shaft in there was just like freaking clunking up and
Yeah,
down.
it was going up and down. But now this is gonna hold it perfectly in line, perfectly straight.
Right.
So when you change torque ratios, you get off, get on it again. There might be a little bit, but it's not gonna be anywhere near what it was.
Yeah.
So if any at all.
Right.
So,
Hell yeah.
all right.
Carrier bearing done.
Check this one more time. Alright,
Sweet.
we are good.
Mark that off the checklist.
Yep.
We are done.
So, driveline, front to back, is ready to go back in the truck once we get the clutch and the transmission back in. So,
Nice. Hell yeah.